Hello everyone, how are you? This is Jitendra Kapoor, your mathematics teacher. Welcomes you on this online educational portal. Students, in last session we studied chapter first real number and the topic was Euclid division lemma. But once again we revised it, and after it we will start our next exercise 1.1 from chapter first. So what we have studied in last session? We have studied in last session Euclid division lemma. So what is Euclid division lemma? Once again I repeat it, Euclid division lemma is a proven statement. Is already a proven statement which is used to prove other statement. This is our Euclid division lemma. After it, we studied Euclid division algorithm. So Euclid division algorithm is a technique. Which type of this technique? Euclid division algorithm is a technique to compute the HCF. Of two given numbers. Okay, so these were two things we have already studied in our previous section. Now in chapter 1.1 we solve some questions. So let us start chapter 1.1 from CBSE class 10th real number. Okay, chapter 1.1. The first question is express each number, it is 1.2 now. Okay, use Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF of, the first question is 135 and 225. 135 and 225. These are two numbers. What are to do? You have to find HCF of these number, highest common factor of these number. So before solving the problem, what we have to do is take number first. Take the greatest number as dividend. Okay, take the greatest number as dividend. 225 is the greatest number, so we have taken 225 as a dividend, and divisor, the small one will be divisor. Okay, now you are to write the number in the form of Euclid division lemma. Okay, so Euclid division lemma, what it says, Euclid division lemma, according to Euclid division lemma, A equal to BQ plus R. We have already studied it. This is the statement. Okay, now we have 225, A equal to, so we put 225, then BQ, what we have, B equal to divisor, let divisor be B. So then we have 135 equal to B. Now try to write it in this form. We will try to write it in this form. We will put 225 equal to BQ. We have 135 in place of B, and Q. Q means, you know, Q is quotient. Okay. When we got Q, when we divide 225 by 135, as a quotient, what we get? We can divide 225 once time by 135. Okay, so once time our quotient will be 1. ठीक, and remainder is 225 minus 135. What we have now? Look here, minus 0, 12, 3, 9, 90. Now 90. We have 90 as a remainder. Okay, so this is the step number first. Step number first. But you have to repeat this step till then. When you do not get 0 in place of remainder. When you do not get 0 in place of remainder. In next step, step number second. In step second, let be dividend 135 and divisor 90. Okay, this is our second step. Now how can we write to 135? 135 equal to b cube. We have 90 in place of b, and cube, how can we get cube? Divide 135 by 90. One time we can divide it, and now remainder is 45. So 45 we get as a remainder, but not get 0 in place of remainder. So we have to repeat it once again. We take step third. We take step number third. In step number third, dividend will be 90. Dividend will be 90, and now divisor will be 45. How can we write it? In the form of Euclid division lemma, divide by 45. 45 2s are 90, 2 times, and remainder is 0. Here our lemma, our steps has been completed. We have got 0 in place of remainder. So 45 is the highest common factor between 225 and 135. So HCF 225, 135 will be 45. This is your answer. I hope you got it. Okay. Now question number second. The question number second is, you have to find HCF between 196 and 380. Very soon you will see change in our online class. The Aryan's Learning Center will be fully digitalized in a week or two. 196 and 38220. 38220. Now you have got the method to compute the HCF by this method. Okay. Now no need to explain more. Here dividend equal to 38220 and divisor is 196. Write it in this form. A equal to 38220 equal to 196. When we divide 38220 by 196, we get 195 as a quotient, and the remainder will be 0. Okay. it can be completed divided by 196. How many times? 195 times. And remainder will be 0. So what is the HCF between 196 and 38220? What is the HCF? HCF will be 196. Okay, this is your answer. I hope you got it. Now question number 3rd. You do it yourself. If you feel any problem, you can comment in comment box. I will explain in our next session. Thank you, students, and once again the Aryans Learning Center welcomes you